It is 2 p.m. Monday, January 9th, 2023 at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road station. There's the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway maintenance guy repairing a crossing gate. See the section over the walkway is broken off. We've got Amtrak, we've got westbound Metra 1231 approaching, due at 2:04 p.m. We're looking east down the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Chicago subdivision. And there goes a pace bus across LaGrange, on LaGrange Road, crossing the BNSF. Beautiful sunny day here in LaGrange, Illinois, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Westbound Metra 1231 runs from Chicago Union Station to Aurora, Illinois, making all stops in between except Laverne, Congress Park, the next station east of here. We're looking toward Congress Park. Does not stop at the next station west of here, Stone Avenue, LaGrange. Does not stop at the Highlands. Does not stop at West Hinsdale. Does not stop at Downers Grove, Fairview Avenue. Here comes 1231 westbound. And there's the BNSF guy still repairing the crossing gate arm. And here comes an eastbound Metra. This looks like a late train, eastbound 1260, heading from Aurora to Chicago Union Station. It's due here. And the BNSF guy's still working on the gate. There's a fire department ambulance crossing the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway on LaGrange Road, heading south. BNSF guy still working on the gate, crossing gate. you enjoy? See some good trains? And it's 2:05 p.m. Monday, January 9th, 2023, LaGrange, Illinois, Metra Amtrak, LaGrange Road Station, Burlington, Northern Santa Fe Railway all the way, over and out.